Welcome to Urban's Toys Reviews. Hi guys, today we have a helicopter.
Yeah, this is SYMA make helicopter. It is also named as
Miss
Gyroscope, and
It is Miss Anchi.
yes, and it has 3-channel remote control helicopter. You can fly in indoor, outdoor, anywhere if you want. It's a nice one, and you can see in the back side how you can use the remote control. It is clearly told over here.
There is the QR code where you can get news.
Yes. So it's a
And scan it.
SYMA make toy helicopter, and again, if your kid is more than 8 years of old, you should use this one. Else you don't use. It may be some safety hazards is there.
It is written 8 plus.
Yeah, it is also written 8 plus. Again, we are using almost few months. It's working perfectly. You need to recharge before you start working, or before you want to play with this one.
I am 9 years old because I am using.
Yeah, so Arvin is more than 8 years old, so that's why he is using. So it's a nice product from SYMA.
It has 2 different colors, orange that I have and one more green.
Yeah, it's 2 different color, whatever
And
color
it
you
is
choose.
S5
Yeah.
3-channel remote control helicopter.
Yes, and again the manufacturer is SYMA. So it's a good one. We are using since last 6-7 months. It's working properly. With the age, the battery life may come down little bit. But if you want, you can buy this one.
From
And
Flipkart
yeah,
or Amazon.
yes. And after one charge, you can fly this helicopter for around.
It charges laptop, remote control or the charger.
Yeah. It can be charged from the laptop or from the mobile chargers, or its own charging is there. And after one charge, yes, and after one charge you can able to play with this toy for around 6 to 7 minutes.
Or its charging time is 60 to 70 minutes.
Okay, so for the fast charging you need around 1 hour or so to fully charged. So Arvind is playing with this toy for last 6-7 months and he is very much happy with the performance. Let's unbox it and see how it's look like.
Hey, hey guys! Today we have a remote control helicopter!
Yeah, it's a new helicopter.
Very good! See the orange color!
It's looking very good. It's a pink or orange?
Orange!
It has, wow, good one. It has remote control also.
Yes! See the back!
Yeah.
Direction lever.
Looking
Forward,
nice.
backward, turn left, turn right. All of the switches. Ready? Let's unbox it.
Yeah, let's unbox.
Wow! Instructions.
Amazing. Yeah, it's looking good.
Instructions.
Instruction manual?
Yes. This is the charger cable.
Yeah.
Let's open it. It has screwdriver also.
This is charging cable?
Yes, it has screwdriver also.
Okay. It will help us to assemble the helicopter.
Yes. Not assemble, to remove the screws.
Okay. You have to remove the screws to insert the batteries?
Yes, let's pull the helicopter out.
Yeah, sure. Sure.
Pull down.
Yeah, it's looking good.
Yes.
Very beautiful one.
And there is also charging cable on the remote.
Okay.
Let's put it back.
Yeah.
Like this. And the topper one goes here.
Okay.
Okay, let's start it.
Yeah, let's charge it.
First put the battery.
Yes, yeah.
Let's open the screwdriver.
Battery was with the helicopter or you have bought it separately?
I have brought it.
It was not included in the helicopter.
Yes, there's written also. Use 4A batteries not included.
Okay.
Let's open it. We will test this helicopter outside tomorrow.
Okay, sure. You have charged the remote control?
Yes.
Okay.
Bye bye. Don't forget. Hi guys. Today we have a helicopter.
Wow, the new helicopter.
Yes, very cool.
And today we are outdoor, not indoor. We will try to fly the helicopter in outdoor mode.
Yes,
Let's try
go.
it. Yeah.
And this is the on-off switch.
Okay.
On it.
Yeah. Oh no, it can't fly. You can put it here.
Yeah. Good idea.
Yeah. Yeah. Now try.
It is so windy.
Yeah. Now try. Yes. 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 Yes.
So windy.
Yeah. Yeah.
It is so windy.
Let it be windy. Let it be windy. Just try to fly as high as possible. Now I can do it. Do it again. Fly high. You are okay?
Yes.
Your finger is okay?
Yes.
So keep distance. Now try it. Fly, fly high. Yes. Good one. Oh, I'm not able to trace it. Slowly, beta, slowly. Now again we start.
Second time.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes. Wow, wow, wow. Good, good, good.
It is too windy outside.
Yeah.
The third time.
Yeah. Again. Start it.
It is not starting.
Not starting? Yes, 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 yes.
Very good.
High, high, high. And take it back, take it back. Now fourth time.
Oh.
Now for the sixth time. Yeah. Let's try it. Oh no. Put it correctly. Keep it correctly. Yes, yes, yeah. Now again you try it. Oh my god, it's coming towards me.
I think he likes me.
Yeah, maybe.
But that's not possible.
Wow.
It is a helicopter.
Yes, yes.
Oh no. Oh no.
Crash. Crash landing.
Let's do it perfect landing.
Let's try it now. Seventh time. Yeah, again you try it. It's coming towards you.
Let's try the landing first.
Yeah. Now we can start eighth time.
Oh no.
Yeah. You start again. Oh my god. It's crashed. It can't fly. Put it perfectly.
Let's try first the high jump. Are you
Oh.
ready now?
Yeah, you are ready. Now I can try it. Yes. It's going very good. Oh no.
I think the battery is out.
Okay, the battery has been finished.
Yes.
We need to recharge it again.
Yes. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.
And don't forget to subscribe.
And
Arvind
like
Toys
the
Review.
video.
Yeah, bye.
And click the bell.
Yeah,
And
sure.
like also.
Yes.
Thumbs up. Oh,
No,
what?
no, no. Oh, dangerous. You should put off the remote control.
Yes. And the helicopter also.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.